So hi guys, I'm back with a how to bleach knots on a closure, and I'm using Nadula hair. And first of all, you want to make sure that you protect your hands. Wear some protective gloves. You'll need a plastic bowl and a brush, and I'm using this rapid hair bleach I got from a local beauty supply store. So I'm just using like 1 scoop of the bleach, and it was a little bit too much, so you might need to use half. And I'm using this 30% developer from the same brand, and I'm just gonna mix this bleach and make sure there are no lumps or anything like that. And you want to make sure that the consistency is nice, creamy and thick. You don't want it to be too thin or runny, because the mixture can go through the lace and bleach your hair. Okay, so you want to make sure that you remove any hair that is on the way. So you see me brushing away the hair and tucking it under the closure, because you don't want to bleach this hair accidentally. That would be a major disaster. So you want to make sure that there is no hair at all. So yeah, I hope you guys have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do join the family and click the subscribe button, okay? And make sure you guys turn on your notification buttons and make sure you don't miss my videos. I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying the bleach mixture. So you want to make sure that you don't press in the bleach. If you press in the bleach, it will go through the lace and it will bleach your hair. So you want to tap in the mixture and spread it like lightly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that all the areas are covered where I want the knots to be bleached, and I'm just gonna leave the bleach on the hair for about 30 minutes. Gonna go ahead and use this Shimmer Lights purple shampoo. So you see how orangey my lace is looking. Gonna make sure that you use some sort of purple shampoo, because this reduces the harshness of the color. You want to make sure that you rinse this bleach like properly. You can wash it like as many times as you can until you feel like it is actually clean. I made this unit using 4 bundles of hair. Like I said, I will leave all the hair details in the description box down below. This is what the unit is looking like, nice and fresh, because I've washed it. And so I'm just gonna put this unit on my hair, you guys, and I'm looking all kinds of crazy, like weird, and I like it though. It looks nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and trim off the excess lace from the closure. So you can do this on the mannequin head, you don't really have to do it on your head. So I'm just showing you guys how natural that parting looks. Okay, so that's one of the advantages of bleaching your knots, you guys. You can actually have a nice flawless kind of parting, or your lace will be looking nice and cute. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the hair a little bit more, but yeah, this hair is very thick, you guys. It is super thick, and I just love the texture of this hair, you guys. It is amazing and flawless. Like, it takes in the heat so well. Okay, this hair is just beautiful, gorgeous hair. I did not experience a lot of shedding with this unit. The hair is just amazing. So just before I forget, you guys, Nadula Hair Company are having a major sale on their website. So 11/11 is coming, so you need to make sure you guys check the description box down below. They're having their biggest discount and lowest price ever, because I don't want you guys to miss out on this opportunity if you want to purchase hair.
My gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wind her. She She be minding on my place. She looking at my eye order.
I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video and also comment, rate, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.